Hey lawyers, do you run your own law practice or are you thinking of starting your own law practice? Hi, my name is Sonrisa Lewis and I am a freelance attorney with my firm, Lewis Legal. I help other lawyers, solo practitioners, and small firm attorneys with things like legal research, legal writing, litigation support, analysis, consulting, and more. And I recently passed the 1-year anniversary of my law firm, Lewis Legal. Yay! So I'm very excited to be past that first year mark of being a brand new entrepreneur and business owner and law firm owner. And it's been a great year. There have been a lot of ups and downs, and I've really learned a lot, and I've grown a lot personally and professionally, and it's been quite a journey. So, of course, I had to put together a list, a list of insights or tips or things that I learned that if I could, I would go back in time and tell my former self a year ago. So hopefully these tips, if you're thinking of starting your law practice, or if you just have started your law practice, or maybe you're just a little bit along and you kind of want to compare notes, I'm just going to be sharing these tips from my list little bit by little bit. And so my first tip is that you are ready. You know how SpongeBob is ready? You're ready like that, like SpongeBob is ready. And while you might feel that you've never run a business before, you don't know what you're doing, you're new to being an entrepreneur, trust me, all of your past experiences, all of your past jobs, the savvy, the intellect that you already have, all of that is going to come together in a way that you didn't even imagine and help you to get started. So you're definitely ready. My second tip is that you're worth a lot more than you think. Also, again, like you need to think about all of your past experiences, all your professional work experience, your education. Also think about the value that you're going to give to your clients and your customers. You're a business owner now, you're not an employee. So in terms of pricing and numbers and value, it's all different. So you need to learn to think about these numbers differently, and you're probably worth a lot more than you might initially be thinking. And the third tip and the final one for today, along the line of numbers, and again, you veteran law firm owners already know all of these things. So bear with me, these are kind of introductory tips, but the third thing would be that your income is going to be inconsistent, right? You're not going to receive a regular paycheck, so your income will be inconsistent. It's going to go up and down, and so that's another thing you have to account for and think about these numbers in a different way. One strategy is to kind of have like a kitty or a pot that you pay yourself a regular amount from on a regular basis to kind of simulate that paycheck that you might be used to. And again, veteran law firm owners, I'm sure, have many more strategies, but these are just a few introductory strategies. If you're starting a firm or you just have started your firm, and I'll have some more of these tips for you soon. Like I said, it's too bad we can't go back in time, and I would tell myself some of these things a year ago. But yeah, if you want to discuss more of these tips coming up soon, I recommend that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Go Getting Attorneys, and I can't wait to see you there.